As stewards of the land, Canadian farmers play a leading role in global food production. I'm Shane Ogilvie. I'm a provincial agronomist with Richardson. As an agronomist, I work with growers and ensure that they understand things like 4R nutrient stewardship. Growing crops for food production, we are removing nutrients from the soil, and so those nutrients need to be replaced. Fertilizer Canada has the 4R designation program, which help agronomists in the field recommend the right fertilizer practices for a grower on their farm in their different regions. We are maintaining a healthy soil and a healthy environment, and we're helping feed the world. Using the right source at the right rate, the right time, the right place, farmers and the fertilizer industry understand that maintaining our soil's integrity for generations to come is of utmost importance.